Welcome to Reading with Mrs. Laundry.
Ocean Creatures by National Geographic Kids. A parrotfish changes color as it grows older. Can you point to the blue and pink fish? It's an adult parrotfish. Parrotfish live in the ocean. Lots of other kinds of fish live there too. Guess what? Fish breathe underwater. They do not breathe air the way that you do. Seahorses are funny-looking fish. Their heads look like horses' heads. How many seahorses do you see? Seahorses hold on to plants with their tails. They let go when they want to swim away. Guess what? A father seahorse has a pouch on his tummy to hold his babies. There are 7 kinds of sea turtles. A sea turtle uses its flippers to swim through the ocean. Guess what? Baby sea turtles hatch from eggs. This sea star has 5 arms. Can you count them? Sea stars live on the bottom of the ocean. They use their arms to walk. Guess what? Some kinds of sea stars have more than 5 arms. A humpback whale is as big as a school bus. Humpback whales sometimes leap out of the ocean. When they fall back in, they make a big splash. Guess what? Humpback whales do not have teeth. Can you match each of the sea creatures to its name? Parrotfish, seahorse, sea turtle, sea star, humpback whale. This book was provided by GetEpic.com. Check it out.
Thanks for reading with Mrs. Laundry. Like and subscribe for more.